Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day two of our Stoic philosophy series. In day one, we learn the most important Stoic rule: focus only what you can control. Today, we are going to learn something very interesting: the history of Stoicism. We will learn where Stoicism started, who created it, how it spread across countries, why people still follow Stoicism today. Do not worry, this will be very simple and easy to understand. So let's begin our journey into the past. Stoicism began a very long time ago, around 300 years before the birth of Christ in ancient Greece. Ancient Greece was a place where people loved learning, thinking, and discussing ideas. There lived a man named Zeno of Citium. He is known as the founder of Stoicism. Zeno was not always a philosopher. Before becoming a teacher, he was a merchant, meaning he sold goods. One day, his ship sank in the sea. He lost everything, his money and belongings. This was very difficult moment in his life. But instead of giving up, Zeno chose to learn and grow. He began studying philosophy. Later, he started teaching people how to stay calm and strong during difficult situations. This is how Stoicism was born. You might wonder, why is it called Stoicism? The name comes from a place where Zeno used to teach. He taught students in a public place in Greece called the Stoa, a long covered walkway where people gathered. Because he taught at the Stoa, his followers were called Stoics, and the philosophy became known as Stoicism. This shows us something important. Stoicism was not hidden in books, it was taught openly to people. Anyone could listen and learn. Stoicism was meant for daily life, not just for scholars. After many years, Stoicism became popular in other powerful place, Rome. Rome was known for its strong leaders and soldiers. Many Roman leaders liked Stoicism because it taught discipline, strength, calm thinking, responsibility. One famous Stoic teacher was Seneca. He wrote letters and books about controlling anger, managing fear, living a simple life. Seneca believed that wealth and power do not guarantee happiness. True happiness comes from inner strength. Another important Stoic teacher was Epictetus. His story is very inspiring. Epictetus was born as a slave. He had very little freedom, but he did not let his situation control his mind. Instead, he focused on learning and improving himself. After gaining freedom, he became a teacher. His message was simple: you cannot control what happens to you, but you can control how you respond. Even today, many people follow his teachings. One of the most famous Stoics was Marcus Aurelius. He was not just a philosopher, he was also a Roman emperor. Being an emperor was very stressful. He had to make important decisions every day. To stay calm and wise, Marcus Aurelius practiced Stoicism. He wrote his thoughts in a personal book called Meditations. In this book, he reminded himself, stay calm, be fair, accept difficulties, and do your duty. Even though he ruled an empire, he focused on self control. You might ask, why do people still study Stoicism today? The answer is simple, because problems in life never stop. Because problems in life never stop. People today still face stress, fear, rejection, pressure. Stoicism gives simple tools to handle these problems. Students use Stoicism during exams. Professionals use Stoicism during interviews. Leaders use Stoicism to make calm decisions. That is why Stoicism is still important today. Now take a moment to think, what inspired you most from today's lesson? Was it Zeno losing everything but starting again? Epictetus becoming strong despite slavery? Marcus Aurelius staying calm as an emperor? History tells us that difficult situations can make us stronger. So, now there is a homework for you. Write one person from history or your life who stayed strong during difficulty. Then answer, what stoic quality did they show? Example, calmness, courage, or patience. Today, we traveled back in time and learned how Stoicism began and spread across the world. We learned about Zeno, who created Stoicism, Seneca, who taught emotional control, Epictetus, who showed strength in hardship, Marcus Aurelius, who practiced Stoicism as a leader. These people lived thousands of years ago, but their lessons still help us today. Remember this, strong minds are built during difficult times. Tomorrow, in day 3, we will learn more about famous Stoic philosophers and their powerful lessons. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep practicing calm thinking. See you in day 3. Now, let's go through the vocabulary. I will just pronounce the words. You can check out the meaning and example in the description box. So, the first word is history. Second, founder. Third, merchant. Fourth, philosophy. Fifth, scholar. Sixth, empire. Seventh, slave. Eighth, emperor. Ninth, inspire, and 10th, spread. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next podcast. Till then, bye bye and take care.